Hey y'all, welcome back to Dad's Day Off DIY. Today we're soft washing the house with this Ryobi 2800 PSI gas powered pressure washer, a 1 liter foam cannon attachment from Tool Daily, and my go-to soft wash mixture. All I'll be using here is Dawn dish soap and good old household bleach. For my mixture I use about 6 to 8 ounces of dish soap and about 8 to 10 ounces of bleach, and then just top it off with water. I'm going to start off here by wetting down the entire surface. Notice that I am spraying from a distance and just trying to wet the entire surface. We're not trying to use the pressure washer to clean and possibly end up damaging any of the surface. More importantly, we do want to make sure that we go ahead and spray and saturate all of the ground below the area that we're going to be soft washing, and that's just going to help prevent our mixture from harming any of the grass or plants below. After we've wet the surface, we're going to attach the foam cannon with our mixture to the end of the pressure washing wand and start coating. With this foam cannon, it has adjustable nozzles so you can adjust the fan to a wider or more narrow stream if you've got some areas that are harder to reach. After we've let our mixture soak, we're going to come back and rinse it all down with your wide spray nozzle. And again, you're not blasting here, we're soft washing. Let the pressure washer do the lifting, don't get too close, and don't damage anything. If you still have some tough spots left after the first round, I'd suggest you go ahead and reapply and let soak for another 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse and repeat. If you like this quick tip, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more no-nonsense home projects, and drop a comment if you've got questions or you want to see what's next.